sometimes you will have, yep, as I said, you might have, for example, 4y squared minus 81. Here you can't take out a common factor. Sorry, that would say 16y. Let's go with 16y squared minus 81. Here you can't take out a common factor, but you can actually go, well, 4y multiplied by 4y would give you 16y squared. And to get the negative 81, well, this one has to be positive, that one has to be negative. 9 and 9. Sometimes it can actually be around the other way. 81 minus 16y. If this is the case, this changes it a bit. Because this is the positive term, that has to be 9 and 9. Because you can't have two positives in there, right? To get negative 16y, well, one would have to be negative and one would have to be positive. Minus 4y plus 4y. Because this multiplication and that multiplication, one would be positive, one would be negative, we'll get rid of it. But notice, because to get the negative, whatever the negative is going to be with the negative and positive, because that's when you're going to get the negative. One's a positive term, it gets it. So really, you're always going to get an A plus a B value. And what you're really doing is you're doing the square root. Oops, it's going to be minus, I should say. A minus a B value. And what you really want to do is you want to square root A, the square root of B, A, the square root of A, minus the square root of B. So wherever the negative is, that's going to be the positive and negative one. But you're just doing the square root of them. So for example, square root of 81 is 9. Because this is negative, square root of 16 is 4, square root of y squared is y. So it's negative 4y, positive 4y.